It's here for the first time. Mrs. and Mr. Afro-Caribbean UK Scholarship Pageant. It's the biggest event to attend this year. On the 5th of October at the prestigious Walthamstow Assembly Hall, Forest Road, E17, 4JF. There will be 19 contestants from 14 countries will be competing for an undergraduate scholarship with Christ College London. So get your flag ready, come out and support your country. This event is organized by Camps Pro UK and sponsored by Vox Africa, Pauline Longshore, Myers Mineral, Albert St. Clair Photography, The Buju Media and Soji Sports Foundation, Vice Newspaper and The Gleaner. Also LMB from Mystic Radio and many more sponsors. Artists performing on the night, Chris Militant, Valentine, Divine and many more. For more info go to www.mmacukpageant.com.